guys watched the video, we actually put Black Widow exhaust on this truck, and today we're gonna go over a review of the product because it's been a couple months since it's been on it and it's been driven a lot. So these are actually a muffler that hasn't been released yet, and it's called the Big D by Black Widow. This truck has an X-pipe on it, which most diesels can't because they have a turbo, and I'm gonna include exhaust clips from that in this video. Before we get started, in the description I'll have a link to t-shirts I'll be putting out, and I'll put up a photo now of what they look like. I have a shirt of this truck as a dually as well as Mustang, so please go check that out when you get a chance, and the link will be in the description of this video. Thank you guys for watching. So now we're going to go ahead and review this setup. So as you see, I did dually swap this truck, but underneath, I don't know, I'm gonna link the video somewhere around here of the actual full install of this exhaust on this truck. And as many of you guys know, these IDIs in fact did not come with a turbo. So it actually has an X-pipe. I'll go ahead and show you. So full X-pipe, 3-inch exhaust, all the way back to Black Widow's Big D muffler, which hasn't not been released yet, I believe. So that'll be coming out very shortly. So I'd love to hear this thing on whatever diesels you guys have, like 7.3s, 5.9s, Duramaxes, whatever. It'd probably sound great because it sounds really good on this truck. So go ahead and put some exhaust clips in now. As you guys hear, it sounds a lot different than it did. Some people were saying that it sounds like it's normally straight piped, which is not true, because this was normally straight piped. It sounds completely different, but it's also different in person than in video. But I've put a few hundred miles on this truck, almost probably 1,000 now actually since the swap. Towed with it, towed a bunch of stuff with it actually, with this setup on it, and it sounds great. It really does. It's really quiet in the cab, which it was not before with the straight pipe, which is very nice, and it sounds great from outside. So I really recommend this product for you guys, and I really hope you check out Black Widow exhaust, because this setup's crazy on this truck especially. I'm not sure if there's another IDI with an X-pipe on it like this, but sounds good. Before I get any further, I'd like to give a huge shout out to Super Clean Products. They make awesome degreasers and cleaners for literally almost anything. Like even on the can, we got brakes, grills, engines, like clean almost anything. And it's biodegradable, so you don't really have to worry about destroying the environment. They make all types of stuff like wheel cleaners, whatever you guys may need, so I really hope you go check them out. And I'm actually Super Clean and me are gonna be giving away some Super Clean products. So all you need to do is go ahead. I'll be doing this giveaway on my YouTube and Instagram, so go ahead and just comment below. That's all you need to do, and then you're entered to win. So Super Clean products for yourself and try them out. And I love to say it, but I do use this stuff all the time because, you know, I'm always working on these big old greasy trucks. So go ahead and update you guys on some other things. So as you guys saw, I'm doing a lot of work on that car actually, and probably almost everyone may have forgotten about it. The other green 69 Mustang. Been working on it a lot behind the scenes because it's just a lot of like trial and error with it. So it's kind of a nightmare putting the engine in, out, in, out, in, out, with work in the way and other things, saving up for parts. It's really hard to like push content for that car. But I will be shortly once I wrap up the wiring, which is insanely boring, if you guys know. So, but that car should be on the road soon, so a little update for that. And hopefully in the next video, I'll be trying to get that thing to run. So that should hopefully be the next video with you guys, which will be soon. And sorry for the lack of content. I've been really busy doing work, so thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. A little short update. And please go check out Black Widow exhaust because product's awesome. Truck sounds great. So thank you guys.